Welcome to Learn About Astronomy, and this is the night sky for Wednesday, May the 28th, 2014. Now, on the evening of Wednesday the 28th, what we have in our sky, well, you'll notice that the moon is not there, and it's not really been visible for the past few days, being so close to the sun. It's something pretty much impossible to see. It's a few hours past what we call the new phase, but it's just so close to the sun that it's basically pretty much impossible to spot for most of us. There are people that actually like trying to view the thinnest crescent moon after it, starts to show up after the new phase. But for most of us, this is going to be impossible tonight. Mercury, still there. So if you are, checking the skies about 45 minutes after sunset, Mercury will be in the west-northwest. Take a peek. You can still see it. Only, about a week left before it's gone. So be quick. Jupiter. Uninteresting, we'll say that. Much lower than at the beginning of the month. If you look at the videos through the month, you'll see that Jupiter is much lower now than it was at the beginning of May, and also dimmer. So it's not as interesting to see. Mars is there in the night sky. What's also interesting, if you look at the sky around 11 p.m., you'll notice that Mars is there as an orange glowing star, but Mars also is moving away from us. And if you compare Mars at the beginning of May until now, till we're at the end, you notice that it's dimmer than it was at the beginning of May. And it's actually, if it wouldn't be of its orange color, you'd probably have problems actually spotting Mars in the background of other stars. So it's really going away. Through a telescope, Mars now is almost 2 months. At the beginning of June is going to be 2 months since it passed opposition. So it's going to start to be uninteresting because it's getting too far away, and the disk is actually getting too small for good viewing through a telescope. Saturn is at its peak for the month because it passed opposition on May the 10th. And it's still quite close to Earth. And if you have a telescope, the rings are really open. It's really cool to watch, and very easy to spot the rings. Even with a low magnification, 50, 60 times is enough to watch Saturn's rings, actually. So take a peek, because Saturn is a beautiful sight in a telescope. And watch our special video about that, because that's the main event of May, if we can see. We have Neptune rising around 1:45, Uranus rising a little later around 3, Venus around 3:40, 45. So it's a bright early morning star, and that's pretty much what we have for Wednesday evening, May the 28th, into the night. If you enjoy our videos, subscribe to our channel. You'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments or questions on what you've seen, let us know. Maybe you have a feature. Maybe you have questions. Maybe you have suggestions to improve our video. Let us know. And hopefully you will come back and watch our videos on Learn About Astronomy. Bye-bye.